Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a real quick recipe for you. If you love fritai like I do, this is a must have for fritai night. This is the original recipe of how our grandmothers used to do it, but who got time? I'm gonna show you guys a quicker way to get this job done. Same result, same great taste. Okay, let's do this. I wanted to show you the consistency of when you grate it versus how I do it, which I blend it real fast in a blender. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need the malanga and onions, peppers, leeks, thyme, garlic, hot pepper, vinegar, maggi, and shrimp. This is my recipe. This is how I like it. You can cut it first or wash it first, but I usually peel it first and then I wash it. And then you cut it into smaller pieces so you can chop it even finer in the blender. You can also just do this in a food processor. You'll get the same result. Just blend it up with the a piece and you're good to go. But don't add the shrimp yet. We'll add the shrimp later. You'll see. See, the shrimp is already in the bowl, and all you have to do now is mix it. You can add flour or eggs if you want to, but that is optional. Now all you have to do is fry it. Use a knife to give it the original shape and fry it. I was trying to be fancy. I tried to coat the akra with a whole shrimp. You'll see in a few minutes. It takes too long and the batter don't stick to it very well, but it still tastes great. To get the shrimp to stick to the akra, I think you would need to use the egg wash and flour to help it stick longer, but you can try and see if it works out for you. Of course, all you need is some pickles to go along with your akra, some fried pork, turkey, chicken, whatever, and you're good to go. Bon appétit! Pa oubliye klike sou ti bouton rouge la ki se bouton pou subscribe pou abone nan channel lan chak lem upload video pou ka weyo. A la pochen, merci desko gade video.